So today I'll be showing you a little of what Jay is doing. So we are actually at this flat, and I'm going to show you guys a little bit around the flat and just explain to you what's happening. So first of all, as you enter, so this is the door, so that's the door. So as you enter through the door, you'll see straight on the passage, right? And on the right side, we've got a bedroom here. Okay, so this flat needs refurbishing. You've got a bedroom here, and then over on your left here, you've got a bathroom. Okay, so you've got a bathroom with bath and the separate toilets over here. Okay, yeah. And further down here, it would be on our right, would be the kitchen. Hi, Jay. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm here.
Can you tell the subscribers what you're up to today?
If they look, they will sort of an idea, you know. I'm doing some making for on the wall
Yes.
to fit a new kitchen. So that's pretty much it.
Okay, so what you applying some plastering?
Yeah, some plastering. Banding up the wall, leveling up. So the job can be perfect.
Okay.
So you call this the banding. Because I am a plasterer.
Yeah.
It's a banding. You hear me?
So Jay, how long have you been doing this type of job? Yeah.
Maybe about 50 years now.
50 years. Wow. You're a pro now, isn't it? You're supposed to be a pro on it now.
Yep. Yes. You like it? Do you feel this job?
Yeah.
Yep.
So Jay, what else do you like doing in your spare time?
Eat. Cook and eat.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Every time I'm home, I like to cook and have something on the stove. So when I'm hungry, I just eat.
So what you gonna cook this evening then?
I'm gonna cook cabbage, carrot, steamed cabbage and carrot.
Okay. You like cabbage?
With maybe fried dumpling. Yeah, cabbage is my favorite.
Okay.
I like cabbage, callaloo,
Okay.
all green veg.
Yes. Apart from build, what you call this job? Plastering or it's under the building?
It's just under construction.
Construction, okay.
Renovation.
So, or renovation construction, okay. So, yes, yeah, so what was asking you?
You back?
Yeah, apart from the construction, what else do you like doing as a job?
I said, if I'm not doing this job, I will farm
Okay.
and live off down, you know? That's really my passion, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, I like to farm, grow stuff, and eat from my garden.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Nice.
That makes me feel good. Put this down now. So that's the boiler. black coffee.
No electric none of that yet.
And then this is only fancy light.
Oh. So guys, if you would like your property repaired and refurbished, you know what you can do. Send E&J Lifestyle Farm a direct message and Jay will be at your service. Okay, so remember now guys, like, share, comment and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend about E&J Lifestyle Farm because we do the work. As you can see, we do the work. Only watch the video. All you guys gotta do, like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And J Lifestyle Farm. Do the work, guys. It is all about J and his craft, right? Yes, so. Yes. Remember guys, we do this yard and abroad, you know. We do this in England and we do this in Jamaica. Because E&J Lifestyle Farm is all about England and Jamaica lifestyle. Okay guys, yes. We do the work on the watch. Yeah. Okay, so as you can see, remember Dave's working in there, and I'm gonna show you guys further down. And here will be a bedroom. Okay, but at the moment it's not up and running yet, so everything is everywhere. But this would be a bedroom. Okay, nice bedroom. It's a double bedroom. And then as we head further down, right here on the right, we enter here, and this would be the lounge. Very big, yeah, but at the moment it is not sorted out as yet, so everything is everywhere. But this is a very big lounge. All right, nice double window, and through here it would lead you to the balcony. Okay, so you do the step over and you would be on the balcony. So from the balcony, that's the view. Okay, the little neighborhood. And on this balcony here, you can put your chair, the chair patio set here, and a nice plant, and you can relax in the summertime. Okay, so yes, I'll head back inside. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna have to try and shut the door. So now the door is shut. Okay, yeah, and it's nice long curtain. Okay, yeah, so that's how the balcony looks. Right, and as we head further down, here is a bedroom right here. So this is the third bedroom. It's a double bedroom as well. As you can see, it's packed with stuff in here. It's not really sorted out yet, but it's a very beautiful 3-bedroom flat. Okay, so as you can see, you can stay from this bedroom to look straight down to the door. Okay, the front door. And we're gonna talk about rental. So if you would like to rent this 3-bedroom flat in this area, you are looking at a rental of around £2,500 per calendar month. All right, and this property, if you're looking to purchase this property, this flat is in the region of 600,000 to 625,000 pounds. As much as you see this flat, to buy this property.
This is sand and cement. Prepare the lunch. You know, when I fix kitchen,
So it,
sometimes under here, so don't really need certain things because through the back of the cover, they go gone like.
oh.
Up here, so now the back of the cover, they go go, you know?
So they did this so far today.
Yeah.
Wow. So that's what Jay did today, guys. We tied it like this.